Body game is a lifestyle, right? Check it out. I'm here on vacation, 3 hours out of my hometown, right? Here for a Calgary Stampede. And luckily right outside my Airbnb, there's this outdoor calisthenics gym, right? And I'm making this video, I did a workout in just now, right? I'm about to show you guys the workout, but I'm making this video to show you guys that body game is a lifestyle, right? It's not something you do on January 1st. It's not something you do once winter arc or, that quick 6 weeks before summer you're trying to get in shape. Nah, this shit is a lifestyle, right? This is something we do consistently 3 to 4 times a week, right? Even on vacation, bro. You want to get that pump out, you want to be out here mogging people, bro. You gotta be on body. You got to make body game a lifestyle. This shit is mandatory, right? That's why I'm always saying mandatory Mondays. That's why I'm always saying shit like, my slogan, as you guys know, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. There's nothing enlightening about not reaching your full potential, right? Because this shit is a lifestyle, right? A lot of you guys want the physique. You want to have the physique for summer. You want to have that summer body. You want to be out here mogging, right? But you're not willing to do these things consistently. You're not willing to make this shit a lifestyle, right? That's why you don't have the physique you want, is because you're not making a lifestyle, right? See, this shit is a lifestyle for me, right? I didn't have to come out here to the work. I'm on vacation, bro. I'm getting into this workout. What are you doing right now? You're watching this on your ass, not putting in the work. You're lazy, right? And, you probably skip the gym if you're watching this. You're doom scrolling. What are you doing, bro? Get that workout in, right? It's nice out. It's summertime. Shit. Hold on. It's nice. It's nice out, summertime, right? Get that work in, bro. You only live once. Be the best version of yourself, right? You only live once, right? Get off your ass. Stop doom scrolling. Stop gooning. Stop, watching Netflix from night till dawn. Actually, get this work in, right? Build your body. Get on body game. Recreate yourself. Recreate yourself into the person that you actually respect, right? I'm gonna show you guys this workout in a little bit here. Got this work in. Now I'm about to go eat some food. About to go see what it's saying. About to see what the Calgary Stampede is saying, and have a good time. But like I'm saying, guys, right? Like, you gotta make this stuff a lifestyle. You gotta make fitness a lifestyle, right? Just because I'm here, I'm on vacation and all that stuff, right? Like, I'm still having fun. I'm still doing things I enjoy. It's just priorities, right? Like, I make sure I get that work in, and then I go and enjoy life, right? It's the work hard, play hard. I'm not going to be one of these alpha males who's going to tell you, no, don't have fun. Nah, bro, have fun, but also put in the work too. You work hard and you play hard. That's the point. That's the point of this shit, man. You got to do both, right? You can't just be all play and you can't just be all work. You need to have balance, right? I know people are going to say, oh, there's no such thing as balance, but sometimes, sure, there's some seasons where you're unbalanced, of course, right? But most times in life, there has to be some kind of balance, right? You can't just be all work. You can't just be all play. You got to find that balance. Maybe it might be, heavy work season for you right now, right? Maybe it might be a play season for you right now. I don't know. You got to live life in seasons, right? You got to balance it out, right? The point I'm trying to make is you don't have to be on some monk mode shit where you don't have fun, right? I'm getting the work in, and then after this, I'm going to go eat and have some fun, right? Because I'm on vacation. So, hope that all made sense. Hope you got the point of this, is that you can have your cake and eat it too, metaphorically speaking, right? You can have fun and put in the work as well. But that's all I got for today. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Someone who really needs to hear it. And remember, like I'm always saying, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. But catch y'all, boys.